Joomla. Nutshell.
Well, this is Elijah Clark here with JoomlaNutshell.com, and what I'm going to show you how to use is actually the contact manager for your Joomla 1.6 website. Now, how do we want to get to that? We actually want to scroll over the components and then go down to contacts, and this is all done from the administrative portion of your website. So it's going to be components, contact, and then contact manager. Or you just click on contacts, whichever. Now, when I get here, I see no contacts, or you may see some contacts, or you may see demo content, of course. Now, the first thing I want to do is set up a category for my contacts. So I go click on the category, and let's go to new. And I'm just going to create a category called designers, and we can change anything else we want to change here. The permission level of those users. I'm just going to put, let's put special. I'm just going to put these as special so they have a little more access. And I'm going to go ahead and press save and close. Now I want to set up two designers underneath this category. So say for instance, if I have some users that I want to set up underneath this category, or I want to set up some subcategories, I can set up another category called, let's go to graphic, or we can put graphic designers or just graphic. And I want to use it as the parent category is going to be designers. And I'm going to go to save and close. And then another is actually, we can make another one called web designers, writers, anything that you want to put underneath these subcategories. That's how you make your categories for your contacts. Now what I'm going to do is actually go under contacts, and I want to add one under the graphic designer. So go under contacts, click on new, and then this person's name is going to be myself. Let's put Elijah Clark. And I'm going to link it to, of course, Elijah Clark, the user. And that'll pretty much set everything up here for me. We're going to link it. That's how we link it. Excuse me, I did that the wrong way. Actually, this is the created by, so we can set that up if you want to put created by whoever. So you can set it up that way. And this here will show your contact details. You can put an image of yourself. You can put your position, email address, title, anything that you want to put. You put that information in here. You have the display panel, and this just puts what do you want to show that information. So the information that you put into the detail section. Now this actually, do you want to show it? So you can also set that up. And then you have the contact form. Now the form just pretty much lets you set up your own form. If you want to ban a subject, ban text, ban email, send a copy to sender. This allows you to put the form together for that user. And of course, you have the metadata information such as your keywords and descriptions. So let's just say I want to set that up. I want to leave everything the way it is. I don't really. Let's just put something here for an example anyway. Let's put CEO and put Elijah C at me.com. Let's set that up, and let's go to display option. And I want to show, let's put we can show the name, and we can also leave that global, of course. And let's just say I want to show the email address and the contact position. So I want to show those three things. That's it. Everything else I want to leave for the form, and the user have to submit that. So I go ahead and press save and close. And there you have it. That user is created, and they're going to be under the category of designer, and you can make them featured if you choose to by clicking here and feature. I'll go into that later with setting up the contact forms and whatnot, but the feature contact just allows you to set up which user do you want, of course, being at the top of a list or just showing by themselves. But this is how you use the contact manager to set up categories, as you can see, and to set users inside of those categories. And of course, for each of your contact forms, I'll put into a different video on how to actually use that a little better. There you have it.